Welcome to this Android channel, and we're going to talk about an app that there could be possibilities you have on your phone or tablet called Cam Scanner. And the reason we're going to talk about it is that you better uninstall it for now. This app is actually introducing or downloading malware to your devices. Now, it has been discovered by Kaspersky Labs that this app actually downloads some packages to your phone or tablet that actually might have it kind of infected with malware. And it is not the company itself or the app itself that is the problem. So what's happening is that the company behind this, of course, has notified that, yep, third-party companies using the ads that were delivered through Scam Scanner were actually being used to download malware to devices. The app is right now offline, so you can't get it from the Google Play Store, but it has been downloaded more than 100 million times. So if you are using it right now, if you still have it on your devices, remove it for now. I think the company behind it is okay. It's just that they're going to investigate, and once it comes back online, it's probably going to be fine. But right now, this Scam Scanner app is a problem, and it is really because of third-party ads that the way that they are delivered can actually deliver malware to your devices, which is kind of a bad thing. So with 100 million downloads, I think that a lot of people might have this installed on their devices. So remove it for now if you use it. This is an app that actually takes documents and scans them and changes them into PDFs, which is, of course, very popular because it's one of those things that we use a lot. But now it's obviously being controlled by bad guys. So if you have this installed, I think it's safe to uninstall it for now. If you enjoy our videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.